What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy. Welcome to the vlog. How are you doing? I'm doing well. It's busy season in full effect, and this is the vlog. For those of you who don't know, I have a party rental business that I used to run from the garage of my house. Now it's in here. We're in the heart of busy season, and actually a lot of the rentals are out. So hence an empty showroom because it's the weekend and the rentals haven't come back yet. If you like this kind of video, well, keep watching because there's lots in store from behind the scenes at my rental company. Let's get into it. Woo! So all in all, everything was very good. Had a very busy week. Staff was very productive, lots of shifts, lots of money coming in, people making money. We made about 30 grand this week. So in the last 7 days, we made 27 grand, which was a nice little bump of money since we seem to be spending it like we're going out of style. All right, this week we did tents. We did lots of tents. We had a 30 by 100 that we put up at a car dealership for a rodeo. We did a 20 by 40 at that event as well. We did a 40 by 40 tent and some pop-up tents as well. There was 4 10 by 20s, some 10 by 10s, and some other shrapnel. And then on top of that, there was around 35 orders that were done for pickup and a few other deliveries. It was absolutely bananas, and it took a lot out of us. Pause. This is your cameo. What's your channel called?
Jude's Jacked, but the E on Jacked is a 3.
Jude's Jacked.
More plates, no date, 7.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. We paused at 7, so that was 8. This is 9.
10.
Okay, well, we'll pack 2 more anyways, just in case. Those glutes. Don't hurt yourself. Okay, so after this one, or let's go back this way here, and we're gonna jack the first one up. Oh, there you go. Stay classy? They don't know what that means. Oh, lightning. All right, have a good one. I guess I gotta call it. We got a 30 by 100 up, but the 20 by 40 will have to come back tomorrow. Too much lightning. Say cheese. Yeah, I don't know. These look short. So our staff, majority of our staff, actually all of our staff is students. I've only got 2 guys who can do full-time now that just started this week, and then the rest are just students, so I've been having trouble filling positions. So I decided to start hiring Labor Ready, and boy, I'm glad I did. You know, people were saying bad things about Labor Ready, like, hey, you know, you hire them, they don't show up, they're crappy workers, blah, 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 blah. And that was not the experience at all with me. You know, they showed up mostly on time, and they worked like dogs, and we got lots of the labor done. And the second time I called them, so I had them for the tent install. I had 2 guys help me out for the tent install. And then at the end of the week, no one could do tent takedown. I kind of misscheduled for it. I had 1 of my own guys, and I hired 3 Labor Ready guys, and we got the tents down in no time. And it was absolutely fantastic. So I'm a big fan of that. And the Labor Ready business is only charging me about $21 an hour per employee, which is absolutely fantastic. And this week was the first time that I actually tried installing tent stakes onto asphalt. So I hit up some of the forums, and people gave me all sorts of suggestions on what to do. And I ended up getting this Milwaukee drill. We all know how I'm a big fan of Milwaukee. This is an SDX Max drill with a high output red lithium battery, so it's all cordless. And then I got the stake. So SDS Max means that there's lots of ends here, so it does faster cutting. And then this is the same circumference as my tent stakes. So the tent stakes, so these are the Hogan 36-inch long, 3/4 inch width or circumference tent stakes. Pre-drilled them with this guy right. Everything worked out fantastic. We staked in with the little jackhammer. So I'm still using the Princess Auto jackhammers, just like this one right here. This is the second season using it. No major issues at all. I recommend using this. And then to plug up the holes, we just used the asphalt asphalt plugs. And here's a little video on them. Hey everyone, it's Lee here from 306 Party Rentals. We're at a tent install, and we installed some marquee tents. You can see we're under a 20 by 40 here. And then over there we have a 30 by 100. And as you can see, it's on asphalt here. Lots of people are scared to stake into asphalt, and they get weights. But weights are expensive. So what we tell our customers is, why don't we get a line locate? Drill into the asphalt, and then stake it down. Then afterwards, we take these little guys here. These are asphalt plugs, and all we have to do is just hammer them in. It's super simple. It's a plug, and like, take this one over here. We drilled this one out, and we plugged it, and look, you can't even see where the hole was before. Like, I literally can't even find it to show you it up close. We pull it up. Okay, so if you come up close here, you can see where the hole was before. Nice clean hole because we drilled it out. And then with the proper stake puller, we pull it up straight so it doesn't pull out any of the, asphalt in chunks. We literally take the little guy here and just go like this. Look at that, it's like it was never there. Thanks for watching. I was on Amazon and I saw this little guy and I was like, I wonder if they'll fit in the end of the tent stakes. So I measured it and look at this, they fit. But do they hammer is the thing on the SDS hammer drill like this? And the answer is, well, take a look at this. What's up everyone, it's Lee here, the rental guy, and I'm just dying to test something out today. So you see this here? This is a Milwaukee rotary hammer, SDS Max, and I got this little bit here. I saw it online for like $100 because I'm using this guy to drill into some asphalt to install tent stakes. But I saw this little bit and you know, it fits on tent stakes. So I'm just dying to see if it actually will drive these 3/4 inch 36 inch long stakes that I used to install my tents, just for curiosity. So let's give it a go. So I've got the drill here with the hammer. It's all battery powered. So I've got my stake puller to pull it out, and let's see if it does the job here. So we'll just give it a few hammers just to okay, so we've got the stake in thus far. Now, see, we've got the drill on hammer mode, and we'll just readjust this way, and let's try it out. Yeah, that's not working very well. Hammer, way quicker option. So, saber bit for not the win. So we'll just pull it up here, manual stake puller. Just, easy. Yeah, so it didn't work. Worth a try though. So the only problem with the untrained staff, labor ready and so forth, is that they don't really know what they're doing. So you have to be there, and you have to always be expediting orders and telling them exactly what to do. So if it's a task like, okay, do this for an hour, you know, take down all the walls on the tent, absolutely great. Pull all the stakes on the tent, you know, wrap up the tent like this. If you have the time to train, then labor ready works great for you. But if you're expecting them to just go on their own, they won't know what to do. Whereas when you have your own staff trained, they just walk in and start working. Okay, so these stairs are perfect for walls. Like these right there right now. So each wall, do you see how there's like a tag on the outside? You can see it through here. The tag always has to be rolled last, and the walls roll inside. So taking off a wall, we always start on the right-hand side of the wall. So unbuckle. So once this wall's unbuckled, then we just roll it. So we just go like this. Some of the walls over there aren't attached by Velcros, they're attached by these little clips, but this is how we roll up a wall. We don't want to drag it, we just want to move with it, right? So, like so. Side. So next time that we pick the wall, we know it's an 8x20. We don't have to unroll it to see what size it is. Needless to say, I've been down here expediting orders quite a bit this week. I was also a little worried about tent stakes pulling up clean, so I went out and I got this guy, a brand new tent stake puller, so that I wouldn't have any issues. So this guy has some different mouth options. It's got a small mouth because my stakes are small, or you could put a big mouth on it, right? And it just pulls stakes like this. And these guys have had plenty of problems this year. Every time I give someone a pop-up tent, it comes back broken. I thought, darn, you know, I need some better quality pop-up tents. So I got the best of the best from my supplier near me called Special Event Sales, and I'd like to reveal them right here. but not officially because I'll make a video dedicated to them. This is just a mini reveal. Okay, so they come in these nice big bags. This is a 10 by 20, by the way. So, 10 by 20 tent. This top is not a cheap top. Like, it's not gonna tear in between the legs there or anything. It's like rugged, rough, almost like thin canvas type material. All the fittings on this bad boy are made of metal. It's made of like really strong aluminum. This is a beefy tent and it is heavy. It's a heavy, beefy tent. So these pop-up tents, they have gutters that you can put in between them. You can hang them off of the Velcro, but then they've also got these, and you can actually join the legs together to put tents side by side. No more having to band them with zip ties or do any of that stuff. So my final word on pop-up tents, this guy's half down, but these guys, if you buy the Brutes, this one is all metal everything, just complete, extreme, awesome pop-up tent. Very hard to install, very hard to break. Give those ones to the customers. Tell them you need 4 people to set up. They won't come back broken. This little guy right here is great to be set up with minimal people. So if you're trying to save on labor, 1 guy, 2 guys can set this up, no problem. But it will get broken. But it will get broken if you're not careful here. So you can use the medium duty, light duty, whatever they're called, for your setups, because once they're set up and they're attached down properly, they will work fine as a tent. But these guys right here, I mean, they're just Brutes, right? So customers won't break them. Plus, replacement parts are cheap for the Brutes. So final word on pop-up tents is have a little bit of column A, have a little bit of column B. Thanks for watching. I get it from special event sales, and yeah, but I am gonna do a dedicated video on those, so watch for that. As soon as I have it, I'll put it right here. So anyways, that's the week. All in all, everything was very good. That's all I got for you this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do, and we'll see you on the next one. As always, you stay classy.